I'm gonna go. Hello guys, this is J King here, playing Pixel Gun along with my brothers. They're also starting. This is what everybody been waiting for. Pixel Gun 3D, and of course it looks epic. And we're gonna be saving up coins, getting those good guns. But first we do all this. We're gonna be starting. We're gonna start in our new opening of Pixel Gun. We're gonna do a 1v1 against all of us. I'm gonna be going in the room where my brothers are in a second, but I just wanted to talk to you guys in private alone, telling them what I'm gonna be doing instead of what they're gonna be doing. I'm gonna do videos not quick as I did in Minecraft because Pixel Gun costs not cost a lot of money or something, but it does take a lot of space from the phone, so I can only do one video at a time and then wait for the upload to be finished, then delete the video, then go back to the next video. Okay, so then after that I'm gonna be doing this right now. So let me go back to where the room my brothers are gonna be in.
You have to concentrate on the first buy, because the first buy counts as everything. I'm telling you that. No lie.
So before anything, I'm gonna be showing. Before anything, I'm gonna be doing a tutorial before I go back. Before anything, I'm gonna do the tutorial before I go in here. I don't know why it's pausing right here. Okay, there you go. There you go, got the weapon. Okay, let's jump through this and get into action. Look what I got, guys. This is to start off. Now let me go to the room of my brothers.
JJ, wait for me. I started a little bit. Guys, I'm thinking of deleting one. I'm thinking of deleting. JJ, have to wait for me.
Let me just put on everything before I go into play.
How you doing? I'm thinking of deleting all my Minecraft videos. I don't know. They're taking up a lot of storage. And besides, who needs Minecraft when you got Pixie Gun? Let's start the same match at the same time.
We're all gonna go into 1v1. No.
But you have to finish one to do the custom. Yes, and I will be doing matches with passwords on them. Rarely with JJ Hunter and JK. I will rarely be doing that, but I will be doing that sometimes. I know I'm trying to get coins and all that, but to me, it's no worry.
So again, guys, I'm by myself. I don't want you to hear them talking. I want you to hear me because this is how I roll. Now, I'm gonna do pool party before I go into anything. So we're going in. Oh, look, already. Oh, darn it. See, I just got a kill, guys. Guys, I'm dying a lot right now. Oh, yeah, sometimes it will be doing this. I'm sorry if it does. There, we're going. Don't worry, guys. We're going right back to the pool party. So let's kind of play in a different map. Yeah, let's play, guys. Let's play in a different map, guys.
What's going on?
So I'm loading into the map. It looks like it's gonna be a 2-on-1 action. Let's see if whoa. Oh, this seems a little unfair. Let's see if I. Looks like I just got a kill. Oh, darn it. So, can't really find anymore right now.
We are cooking red tea right now. 33 to 15.
There you go, guys. Got that kill shit. After these guys, I might play some co-op 11.
Oh, I'm by myself. Let's see what you got.
Man, this is kind of unfair right now. It's not funny, so. Man, I was hoping I could get that kill, guys. Well, guys, I guess that's it. That was good for an intro. It's gonna get better along the way. Hope you guys like it so far, and goodbye.